Hey folks, it's Russ Vi. Today is Saturday, January 11th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. It's snowing here like crazy, but I'm headed over to the soap shop to pack up a few orders, and I just wanted to make a video and talk to you about how you can turn postcard marketing into passive income. Okay? It doesn't get any easier than this, folks. If you can put a stamp on a postcard and put it in the mailbox, you can have success by doing this, okay? Now, I'm not saying that it's going to be easy or that you're going to get rich overnight. In fact, I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with this opportunity or any opportunity that I'm involved with. But I can tell you that if you stay consistent with your mailings, that you can have success with this, all right? And the cool part about it, for those of you who've been involved in network marketing or MLM companies, is that nobody even has to know you're doing this. All right, you can build these opportunities anonymously. All right, so you don't have to be on 2-hour webinar calls and sponsor calls and all that happy jazz that goes along with being part of MLM opportunities, okay? I mean, this is literally as simple as mailing out a postcard. And the cool thing with the opportunities that I'm involved with is not only you're going to get the postcards, but you get leads, okay? That's what our main product is with both direct mail companies that I'm part of. All right, you're going to get leads that you can mail the postcards to. And you can mail these, you can share this opportunity online like I do, and then I do mailings as well, okay? And you can share the opportunity with anybody involved in the network marketing MLM space or affiliate marketing, whatever, because these people that we're mailing to, the leads that you get, they're opportunity seeking leads, okay? So these are people who have requested more information and have agreed to receive information on how they can supplement their income or replace their income by working from home, okay? So I have two programs that I'm a part of. One is Cash Building System Unlimited. The other is American Bill Money. They're both solid programs. They've been around a long time. Cash Building System has been around for 7 years, maybe longer. I'm not 100% sure. And American Bill Money has been around since 2003. Okay, if you follow me on Facebook or watch my YouTube videos, you will see that I am constantly posting payment proofs. All right, these opportunities work if you work them, and it's by far the easiest way that I have found in 18 plus years of doing this type of work, working from home, full-time since 2018. These are the easiest ways that I've ever made money online. Okay? Again, you don't have to talk to anybody. You don't have to do anything that comes with the typical MLM program or network marketing program. Okay? You just simply mail out postcards. Now, I do a combination of online and offline marketing. And when you join me in these programs, you're going to get my resource page where you can, you're going to get everything you need. I have a resource page I put together, has over 80 different places you can advertise these opportunities online. 99% of them are free. You're going to get my letter template that I send out. You're going to get my contact information where you can reach out to me anytime you have any questions. And I'm going to help you the best I can have success with this. Now, you're just going to have to put in the work and show up every day, all right? But you can create nice residual monthly income with these opportunities simply by doing postcards. Because between the two opportunities, you can earn anywhere from $2,500 to $3,500 per sign up that you get. $25 to $3,500 per sign up. Okay? And then, not only that, but you're going to earn commissions on the people that you refer when they start bringing in people. So it's just a win-win for everybody. All right? I'm going to show you exactly what I do. You can follow what I do. And when you do that and stay consistent like I am, you can have success with this. All right? It's a no-brainer, folks. You're literally mailing out postcards. Okay? And you can turn this into nice monthly passive income if you stay consistent. But that's what you have to do. That's the key, staying consistent with it. Understand that you're not going to get rich overnight. And it could take a while to make some sales. There's no guarantee. right? But those action takers are the money makers, and the people that stay consistent are the ones who have success with this. Not people that mail out 100 postcards over the course of 3 months and then they don't get any sales, okay? You have to find the amount of postcards that fit your budget that you can mail out, all right? And these opportunities, you're gonna get opportunities to buy more postcards, to buy more leads, to buy discounted postage. So you find something that fits your budget, all right? So if you can only mail out 100 postcards a month, that's fine, but do it every month, okay? Do it every single month. And then when you start making some sales, take some of that money, reinvest it into your business, and double your postcards. So now you're mailing out 200 postcards a month. When you start making sales off of that, do the same thing. Keep a little bit of money for yourself, but reinvest some of that money, and now you're mailing out 400 postcards a month. And you just keep doing that, okay? And over time, you have the potential to build a mailbox money empire, okay? And it doesn't get any easier than this. I mean, you can spend, less than a couple hours a week doing this if you choose to do this, all right? So for more information on the opportunities that I'm involved with, go to joinruss.com, all right? Joinruss.com. You will see the opportunities I'm involved with. The top 2 are my direct mail postcard programs, which is what I'm talking about today, all right? We have American Bill Money, and then we have Cash Building System Unlimited. They both work, folks. All right, check out, if you haven't watched any of my videos before, go check out some of my payment proof videos. Go follow me over on Facebook, okay? I'm constantly posting payment proofs over there. They work if you work them, and that's the key. You got to show up and put in the work. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I am going to get out in the snow and pack up some soap orders, and then I'm going to go back home and do some marketing. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.